Always something on Monday. Let's call these constant blockers and see.
I told them, but they didn't listen.
They don't, of course they don't. They don't listen to the damn thing. I just had two teens who were, I'm sorry, this is April and AJ. I just got severely vandalized and entered into my home by two residents out here. Yes. First of all, I need maintenance up here to patch up a window that just got vandalized by two thugs who happen to be residents out here. The police are on the scene right now, ma'am. It's the kitchen window. Uh-huh. Are they going to come? Okay, thank you. Bye. I'm coming. I'm trying to